All right, let's talk AI and your career. Everyone's buzzing about it, but what's the real story?
This is the big question, isn't it? Let's just get right to the answer.
The short answer? No. But someone who knows how to use AI? They just might.
So this brings us to the key point. Who are you actually up against now?
Forget the old human versus machine idea. The new reality is a human with AI versus one without.
So how does this actually work in practice? Well, think of AI as your new professional superpower.
Let's imagine an HR manager in Mumbai, completely buried under a mountain of resumes.
Sound familiar?
Suddenly, they're not drowning in paperwork. They're focused on finding the right person for the team.
Or picture a content writer in Noida, staring at a blank page with a deadline creeping up.
Now, they can spend their time writing great content, not just thinking about what to write.
So, feeling ready to jump in? Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Here's your plan. Just start playing with the tools. Pick one boring task to automate. And remember, you're the pilot.
Okay, let's bring it all home. What's the one thing you absolutely need to remember from this?
This quote really says it all. The future belongs to the people who master these new tools.
The opportunity is right here, right now. The only question is, what are you going to do about it?